Yeah, I'm looking for Douglas.
Who's this?
Hey, Douglas, my name is Dale. I'm calling you about the property on New Jersey Street. You had talked to somebody on my team about selling that property.
No, I don't know that under contract already.
Oh, you do? Okay. When are you supposed to close on it?
Tomorrow.
Closing tomorrow. Okay. Everything look like it's going to go through?
Yeah, it seems like it.
Okay, great. Well, congratulations, and hopefully everything works out.
Yeah, what are you looking for? Another property similar to that, or anything at all?
Yeah, anything really. I mean, somebody that needs to sell, we are looking to buy. You got other things?
We got properties that are rented already. We have established renters, but the places, they're getting a little older and run down. They could probably do some spruce to that, but overall they're decent and profitable right now.
Okay.
And then we have one other empty one. That's,
Okay.
kind of been a warehouse for us, but I'm going to start phasing out of doing, remodeling and stuff like that myself. That's why we're taking a sell lease. And that one, it's full of stuff. I mean, the cabinets and doors and some of the stuff's good.
Yeah.
And I got some doors and stuff that but you need a dumpster to get rid of the stuff that's in the bedroom.
I got you.
Rain in there forever. But it needs a renovation. It's a slab, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. It's got some newer windows. I mean, they're old, but they have been covered with plywood for years, But they're, thermal painting, vinyl, double-hung windows. They're installed already, I guess. And protected with plywood on the outside. So, interior probably needs just about everything. Yeah.
Okay.
And it probably needs a roof. Definitely needs a roof. You don't need entry doors. I think there's one window in the front that's old, and that's the original aluminum frame crappy window. But the rest of the windows, I think they're updated to the plan.
Okay. What's the address on that one?
And it's like a yellow house with a black roof if you look at it like Google or whatever.
Okay, yellow house, black roof.
Mm-hmm.
How much would you look to get out of that one?
I need to talk to my brother about it because, again, it's not listed. I just thought about it today. I was in there looking for something, and I thought to myself, if we're selling that one, we're going to close on it tomorrow, and the rest of them are rented. I'm like, well, I'm going to talk to my brother about selling it. So we really don't have a price in mind just yet.
Okay.
Nothing at this point, but I'm going to ballpark it. We'll probably start off asking for like 60.
Okay.
Negotiable, I suppose, if somebody can make a point why it should be. But,
Yeah.
Thompson or whatever.
It's
So that's where we're at.
is it like just one level with a garage if you're facing looking at the house from the street?
No garage. It's got a driveway, and it's one level, flat slab, cement slab, ranch.
Okay. Maybe you said place versus street like it made a difference, so maybe I didn't plug it in right.
There's Hamilton Street, there's Hamilton Place. They're one street apart. And I'm not 99% sure this is street, not place.
Street, not place. Okay. Oh yeah, I see it. I put
Not street, and that type of analogy, Kevin. But anyway,
is it on the corner?
but there's one, two, like 3 other houses before we hit to the corner of 13th.
Me, at least on Google, it's like 2-story house on the corner. Yeah, place was giving me a like a single story house but with a garage.
No, there's no garage.
No, this one looked like a light shade of pink.
That's not it. 46403.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's at least what Google's showing me.
Yeah, something.
Hmm. I'm not surprised, but
Story people turning into a street and it's actually a pole and a heavy rainstorm. They don't realize that they're driving the lake.
yeah, right. Yeah, that's what it's showing me. That's weird. Maybe the Google Street is off, actually.
They get there, so.
Maybe the Google Street View is off.
Yeah, that's been pretty good lately everywhere I go.
I know.
Uh,
All right, well, either way, you know, huh?
Hamilton, it's not North Hamilton, it's South Hamilton.
Mm,
Oh yeah, it's over there.
yeah, either way, why don't you talk to your brother and see what he says, and then we can always link back up.
Mm-hmm. What's your name again?
My name is Dale.
Dale?
Yeah, Dale. And yeah, this is my number, so just shoot me a text if you got it, or when you're ready. And I'll send you my info too, so you have it, you can save it.
That's interesting. I'm typing into the Google thing, it doesn't even come up with it. It's just showing street on my phone.
Yeah, that's funky.
Yeah, something's in there.
46403. That's what you said for the
403. Oh, right here. Place. You have to spell out the word place. And then when you click on it, it comes up. Yeah, and that's so that's it. Yeah, mine comes up.
okay, 12.
Yeah, that's a brick building with a attached garage. You got to go down the street and you'll see it. That's yeah. It is. You got to go down the street to the right when you're facing it. Because the pink.
Yeah. Does it have a black car in the driveway?
No, there shouldn't be anything in the driveway.
Or is it the one with the basketball hoop on the tree?
You know what? Maybe it's that street that.
That's 1132.
You know what? This says place, but I think this is street out. That's that street. It's in there. It's kind of bothering me. Can you tell?
I know, right? It is kind of weird.
All right, I'm gonna go with South Hamilton Street. That's what I put. Yeah, it shows up the right house. It's got a little garbage can to the left on the driveway.
Here we go. South Hamilton.
1200 South Hamilton Street.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah. So this says Zillow's saying a 2-1, about 936 square feet. Did you add a? Okay, and it's a 2-1, not a 3-1.
No, it's a 3-1.
Okay.
Yeah, there's 2 in front, and there's 1 in the back right corner. Then there's the laundry room, the bathroom, and then the kitchen, and then the front on the left is the living room. It's a real common layout over there for these slabs.
Yeah.
Pretty much all coat each other.
Okay.
We own these.
Oh, nice.
I can walk around them in blindfolded and not.
How many do you have now that you're renting out?
What do you think? Well, there's 2 out in the port town, and the rest are here. I guess there's a total of 10.
Nice.
But anyway, that's
Hey, appreciate it. I'll keep in touch. All right, see you.